Welcome back, everybody. I assume you know what Hotseat this is because you know how to read the title. So let's jump in here. That's the wrong password. And there we go. It's for my king. Siege expert, promising commander, fair fighter, religious. I mean, can we? I mean, we can afford it, and it'd be nice to have another guy. Yeah, let's do it. Where's he at? He's at Malcolm's watch, which we need to rename, by the way, because Malcolm has two L's. So just put another L there. Cool. We'll actually leave that guy there to be the governor of that place, so cool.
Aye, my liege.
Bethad, Commune. I don't know how to say that. I'm just gonna call him Macbeth.
Aye, my liege.
Yeah, we're just gonna leave him there. I'll say if he's there, we can take these guys with us.
Onward. Aye, aye, my liege.
Yeah, we could.
Aye, my liege.
Okay, yes, we're gonna do that.
Where's
Let's
the
move
fight?
him up.
Aye. We make camp here.
And these guys are getting any free upkeep,
king.
so I think we'll take
My
all
king.
of these guys.
Aye.
Is the place happy? Yes, it is.
Forward.
Cool.
Combining the
And
armies, sire.
let's building that. You are depending on getting roads here, right? I think that's what I wanted to do is build roads there. Yeah, small chapel would be good here too, though. Let's build the roads first off. At 9. Build roads here too. Let's do it. And let's send this guy ever closer.
Of course, sire. Yes.
And their
Of course.
castle's like right around here somewhere. So
Aye, lord.
let's warm me up with
Mounting
him.
armies, sire.
Move you this way. We don't need a fort. There's nobody that can. I don't think anyone's able to attack us this early. Building roads, so it would be nice to have a mustering hall here. Let's go for that, and then we could just build roads next turn. Kelmar keeps building that. Roland's building roads. 3 turns for those. 1 turn on that. I can't build anything here, so that's just the way that is. Diplomat's still heading out. Let's check the intern report. We're #1 in production still. That's good. That's good. At least we're #1 in something. I don't see anybody else's name up here. Let's check, I guess, the Pope. We're dead even everybody else. Diplomacy. Also, Crusades are banned, by the way. The only Crusade is the one that's manually or automatically triggered. No one's at war. I didn't expect anyone to be. Let's check this. Let's check human factions. Overall, human factions we are, looks like second. We're a close second overall. Who is that? HRE? Okay, HRE. Overall, we're second. That's good. That's good. But we're all pretty even. I think it's all pretty close because it is only turn 3, but we're not doing so bad, I don't think. Once we move up, we'll be able to take this place. We can leave probably one of these guys here. Then after we take that, I'm not sure what to do, honestly. I want to put a fort here to prevent anything from coming up this way, because actually, could someone actually go there?
Where's the fight?
Yeah, you can go up that way too. Alright, well, I think mostly the AI goes up around this way. You want to put a fort there. I guess I can put a fort here too. We'll do that when we have substantial amounts of money. I do believe that is it. Can't get a merchant yet. That's fine. Do I already have a merchant? I don't have a merchant, do I? Let me check before I end my turn. Agent. No, I just have the diplomat. Okay. Well, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next turn. Hopefully that'll be more eventful. We probably won't have another battle until about turn probably 5 or 6, depending on where this town is up here. We'll have a battle here, though. So, yeah, turn 5 or 6, we'll have another battle. Which I could edit those together, but I'm not going to do that. Anyways, let's just officiate it in the turn. Off to the Valdokian Empire. Valdokian. Make sure you check out everyone else's channel in the description below, and I'll see you guys on turn 4.